This is our cruise. Serenity Cruises. Alright. Fancy, huh? We are in Katmai. How this over here? Do you have? Oh, okay. We're leaving. Let's go tour around. Right. Well, this is Katmai, not like Halong. This is Katmai. See, we got a lot of floating stuff here.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. About 10 minutes more, we are going to see Viet village. The village located inside Cat Ba National Park.
In the middle of Cat Ba National Park, do you know the reason why? The reason why they stay in the middle of National Park, why they don't stay in the mainland, why they don't stay in the more convenient place where they can travel or they can develop the economy. Why? Who can give me the reason? Why a few people come to stay here? Around 70 families living in this village now. 70 families. They do farming, of course, but why they come here? Why they don't stay outside? As I explained on bus to you, that this island is not only the beautiful island for travelers today, it also the island for defending. There are many fighting happen in this island, so people have to find some place like this. It's like a shelter. It found about 1,000 years ago by Chinese people when they tried to own this island and go further to Vietnam inland. and then Viet people know it after that, and we moved to this place to stay like the shelter, just in case we have fighting, just in case we have some emergency case. Because they have two ways to go into the village. One way, go further, go through the national park. We will go to the road where we came by bus in this morning, and go this way to go to the sea. So easy to defend, to access. And normally people grow rice over there, but nowadays the water don't have enough to grow rice anymore. And the house they built, this house was built in 1960, but most of house before they also built the same way like this. This from mud and rice straw, but not only mud and rice straw, they also need something to stick the honey. They make with honey to stick and stronger stick together. And in traditional Vietnamese house, they don't build the house with the same area for restroom, for the kitchen, for the sleeping room. They separate it. This is the main house for the owner and worshipping the ancestor. This is the kitchen and the restroom. They separate it. And I will explain to you why they do it. Because Vietnamese people think the house not only accommodation for sleeping, the house also the worshipping to pray. So they want to separate, to keep clean, to clear it. Yeah, this is the oldest house in this village. But unfortunately, some people here, when you do cycling, you will see some houses are empty because some of them, after they grew up, they go to the mainland because they want education. If they stay in this village, only primary school. So most of them, when they go to the mainland for education.
Ooh, it's nice. Riding bicycle. Oop, where's my face? Yay! Raju! Raju! ಯಾರಿಗೋ ಫೋನ್ ಬಿಡು ಈಗ.
It's really difficult.
I feel it's really difficult. So if you learn music,
Level of speaking is